Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we tried using Coca-Cola to remove oil stains in our driveway. It's a whole nother video. We'll put a link in the description below. So because that didn't work, we decided we were going to try toilet bowl cleaner bleach gel, which is supposed to work to remove oil stains as well. We're going to put this on oil stains that were dripped on the driveway by a truck that came to do some work. So what you're supposed to do with this is basically you're supposed to squirt it on the oil stains, then you come back the next day, you don't have to scrub it, you're not supposed to have to do anything, it's just supposed to take the oil out. So we're just going to give this a shot, we'll let you know how this works out for us. So supposedly, I'm going to shake it a little bit, supposedly this works after a couple hours, but it's getting late, we're going to let this sit overnight. So we're just going to put a little bit on each of the oil spots and see, cover the spots. There we go. This is really pretty easy to do because of how this stuff is. The dispenser of this actually makes it really pretty easy. Hopefully this doesn't do anything like make big white spots in our driveway. Here we go. Now, as you can see, this is kind of a neat way of doing it actually, because you can actually see the oil stains sitting inside the Clorox bleach toilet cleaner. So that's what that is. So we're going to let this sit overnight and we're going to see, because this is supposedly will make it completely go away. So we'll let you know and we'll show you in the morning.
The next morning.
This one you don't need to scrub in theory, but I brought a scrub brush just in case because I'm not that optimistic. And you should just be able to hose this off and the oil stains should be gone. So we did this yesterday and we're going to spray it off, see if the oil stains are still there. We might have to put another round of this on just to see if it needs a little bit more to remove the oil stains. So let's show you. Well, the bleach comes off nice. The toilet bowl cleaner comes off nice. I give it a little scrub. Okay, so we gave it a spray. It didn't work all the way, so we're gonna give it a little bit of a scrub. Probably add a little bit more to it, because this did work. It looks like it worked a little bit better than the Coca-Cola. Now we're just using a little wire bristle brush. They're cheap at Home Depot. So give it a little scrub. We'll spray it one more time here. See if that took care of it. Nope. Great. Probably have stains for life. So we're gonna try adding a little bit more here and just scrub it with it on there. It kind of took it off a little bit. All right, let's see. Give it one more spray here and see if it got it all. Well, I'm gonna go with a fail number 2. Okay guys, so Clorox bleach gel cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner does not work either. So I know this is another viral hack, just like the Coca-Cola one was to take oil off your driveway. The clean bleach gel toilet bowl Clorox stuff is another viral hack that's a fail. So if you look, it's better. It's better than the Coca-Cola. You can still see there's spots there. So it is better than the Coca-Cola hack. but they're still there. So that didn't work. So we'll link to the video below for the Coca-Cola one. This one was a fail as well. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you've tried something else. We're going to keep trying here and see if we can get these spots to completely go away. And we'll take you on our journey of, I guess, breaking these myths. So anyways, those two things don't work. Don't even bother. I don't know how people are doing them in the other videos. They got to be lying, doing something behind the scenes. I don't know. Magic, some kind of crazy power washer, replacing the driveway. They're doing something else. But these do not work. So subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Thanks.